Okay, I've changed my compressor, upgraded it. I bought this bargainist unit here off of eBay. Grand price, I think it was £4.20 I got it for. Alright, it cost me 39 quid to get it here by a courier company, surprisingly enough. It's a Dunlop air compressor, very unusual, never seen nothing like it. There you go, have a look at the name on it, Dunlop. But take a look at this is really scary, this bit is like maximum working pressure 3,500 psi. An awful lot in it, eh? Anyhow, so I've mounted it all up. It's a twin stage, V-twin obviously, and I'm going to show you this is first cylinder, first stage, airing. You see it, Vokes air cleaner. That's an old name, don't see it anymore. This is like a breather pipe. Goes down there, around, and comes back up into the crankcase, so I think it's a breather. That looks like a pressure relief. Funny enough, it's also got one on this side too. Yeah, that's pressure relief. Anyway, this here, as with the other side, is first stage cooling. Yeah, you see a bit of oil down there. I've just done an oil change on it, so it's just where it's souped out. Nothing to worry about. That's the oil filler. Right, now this one here, this pipe here, I'll try and see where it goes to. It comes up and goes up through where we don't know. I can't remember now. It goes up underneath the compressor. I can't see it because of the light, it's so dark. It goes... oh yeah. Right. So it goes in there. I don't know what this is. It ends up round here. Comes up this pipe in here, so it must be the next stage, I don't know. But the way I work it, it comes out through there, out the top, through that pipe there, into the first stage cooling, into here, and there's somewhere it's channelled. Well, maybe no, that's the output, that's it, that's the output. It goes all the way around the other side and comes out here. And gets compressed, but no, it goes this side. I don't understand. Can't really work it out what it is. I know this pipe here is an oil pressure. It's got its inbuilt pump to lubricate it. I'm sure there's an air outlet into there, and then it comes out of there from here. Yeah, I'm sure that's how it goes. But anyway, if anyone can identify it, yeah. It must be a vintage anyway, at least. Let's run it up. Everything's shaking in here. Still got the old motor. Yeah, no cover on that. I should have a cover on it. Running around here. The motor's shaking. Right, so if anyone can identify it, have a look, you know. Old name. quite well. Originally it had a three-phase on it, three-phase motor. Bit oily, you can see where I've done an oil change on it, just down here. Everything's shaking here for it. What's that? 115 psi, no, 105. I know do a single thing apart from an oil change. Probably bad. That's 115. Usually tops out 120. If anyone can identify it, really handy. So we might take up to 3,500, that's a high pressure. Just getting ready to cut out now. Gotta be close. Oh, here it goes. Yeah, that's a bit of a creep round on its own. Yeah, there you go. Like I say, it's an unusual beast. Yeah, if you can identify it for me, really handy. Old name Dunlop, twin stage. What have we got on a gauge? Yeah, 120. So it can't be too bad. £4.20 off, and it's a bargain unit. I don't know how old it is though, I would like to know how old it is. Anyway, let's just drop pressure off, shall we? I don't know how many gallons it is, how much it pumps out to. There we go. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll turn it off manually. Okay, thanks for looking.